Hey, you want to know what you can expect if you decide to go forward with a water system at Angel Water. Pretty simple. We use a licensed plumbers to install your product. So what you can expect is our team to show up on time to actually knock on your door and begin the process of installing a water filter system for your family. So our team has booties, they have gloves. We're going to come into the house, lay down carpet so that we can make sure as we treat your home, we treat it with respect and make sure that we don't get anything dirty. Then our licensed plumbers are going to cut into the plumbing and actually install your water system. The reason why licensed plumbers are so important and why it's actually mandated by the Department of Public Health is because water filter systems actually touch the water you consume. So you don't want someone to accidentally install it poorly where they can cross-contaminate the septic line to the drinking water line. This is why it's so important to use a licensed plumber. All of our teams have been trained at Angel Water. They're all licensed and certified by the Department of Public Health. And by the way, most of us have also been certified by the EPA for lead remediation. If you're looking for a great water system for your house, please keep in mind, Angel Water would love to earn your business, and we are licensed plumbers. Have a great day.